amazing, amazing, amazing. Because we know when I was doing. Okay, so this are the. Let's get into this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a few things that you need to know before you decide to twist your hair or finger coil your hair. By the way, what do you guys think of my finger coils? I think this is day 3 or day 4, I don't know, but I think this might be day 5. I stopped counting, so I'm so sorry guys. But what do you guys think of this finger coils? It really looks super amazing for me. I really love it. I have a whole video on my channel on how I twist my hair, mini twist my hair, and then I also have a video on my channel on how I maintained that hairstyle, so you might want to go check it out. I will leave the link down in the description box below so that you guys can go check it out. If you want to put your hair in mini twist, those 2 videos will really help you. So let's get straight into this video. I don't want to make this intro any longer, you guys, so let's get straight into this video. Okay guys, so finger coiling your hair and mini twisting your hair, it's very time consuming. You might sit there for more than an hour twisting your hair or finger coiling your hair. So that is something that you need to know before you start finger coiling or twisting your hair. You need to have a lot of time on your hands when you do this hairstyle. You can't do these hairstyles when you are in a hurry. You can't do these hairstyles when you are already late for work and now you quickly have to style your hair. No, you need to do these hairstyles when you have a lot of time on your hands, because guys, these 2 hairstyles, finger coiling and mini twisting, it is time consuming. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I was sitting there halfway through the hairstyle and I was thinking like, how didn't I know this? Like, I don't even know if I want to twist anymore. I was sitting there the first time mini twisting my hair thinking like, I'm not doing this again. So that is really something that you need to know before you decide to mini twist your hair and finger coiling your hair. Finger coiling your hair, guys, for me, mini twisting was easier. But finger coiling, you have to make sure that you have enough product but not too much, because your hair should still feel soft and look juicy and glossy. So you don't want hard finger coils, but you also don't want dry finger coils. So you have to make sure that you are using enough product. The next one is that it looks super amazing. It looks so good. Like, as you guys can see, this is my finger coils. I totally love them. It looks amazing. You can't go wrong with them if you want to look amazing, if you want to look good, if you are going on a date. That finger coiling your hair and mini twisting your hair is one of those hairstyles that looks super amazing. Also, it saves you so a lot of time the next day and the day after, like, guys, you get more time to do other stuff. You see that whole like half an hour that you usually spend on your hair in the mornings, when you wear your hair in these hairstyles, when it's done, it really saves you a lot of time the next day and the day after, because now you don't spend so a lot of time in the morning with your hair. You don't still have to think about, oh my word, like, what hairstyle am I doing today? No, this hairstyle, it's low maintenance. It's a hairstyle that you don't have to, you have it in already the next day. So you don't still have to think about, oh, what am I now gonna do with my hair? No, your hair is already in finger coils, your hair is already in mini twist. You can just do your edges and like refresh here and there. But yeah, you don't still have to worry a lot about what you still need to do with your hair, or what style are you gonna do today, or all that stuff. So I think that is a lot of time that you save when you are wearing your hair in mini twist or finger coils. And then we get to the next point that I have down here is that you can wear this hairstyle 3 to 5 days, and there are people that actually wear this hairstyles longer. Okay, so see this as if you would like to take a break from your hair, then finger coiling and mini twisting. And you don't, it doesn't even have to be mini twist, like it can just be normal twist as well, bigger twist as well. This is the perfect time for you to take a break from your hair. Okay, I know that sometimes, you know, we want to blow out our hair because we feel like we just want a break from our hair, or we just want to look different. But putting your hair in these two protective hairstyles, it is the best decision that you can ever make, and it is the perfect break away from your hair. And I mean, if you can decide to either put heat on your hair or finger coiling or mini twisting, you might want to make the right decision and rather put your hair in one of these protective hairstyles than putting heat on your hair, because we know the temptations. If you are not strong enough, mentally strong enough in your natural journey, and if you are a new natural, then I won't recommend you blowing out your hair. Instead, I would say no, put your hair in a protective hairstyle like a mini twist, a normal twist, or a finger coil, because the more you can avoid heat, the better for you. Back to the point, you can wear this hairstyle 3 to 5 days, and you can even wear this hairstyle longer. For me, on day 6, on day 5 already, my scalp started to get itchy. So yeah, you might not want to wear it as long. If your scalp is already itchy on day 5, then you might want to wash it bad. If you go check out my video, I couldn't wash my hair because I had my child with me and I wanted to spend more time with him. So I only washed my hair like the next day. I think on day 7 only I washed my hair. Guys, it was for a whole week. So yeah, this hairstyle's finger coil, this is now day 4, day 5 I think. So this is also quite long. So if you want to take a break from your hair, as I just said, you can actually wear this hairstyle for a whole week. So yeah, this is something that you need to know before you put your hair, before you decide to finger coil or mini twist, that you need to know that you can actually go for a whole week, girl, a whole week with this hairstyle. Another thing that I want to talk about is when I was mini twisting my hair, guys, because my hair is so long, as I was twisting, my hair started to get a lot of knots. And as I was detangling, my hair was just getting knots again. So I just want to also let you guys know that if you have long hair, you are going to struggle a lot with knots and like tangles. Honestly, guys, I've been like, why I didn't really enjoy twisting my hair is because of the knots, guys. Like, I was getting so irritated and so like discouraged, because like my hair was just, as I was detangling, my hair was getting knots all over again. So that is something that you might struggle with when you put your hair in mini twist and finger coiling your hair. If you have long hair, your hair, as you detangle, your hair will just do its own thing and just make knots again. I don't know why that happened. I don't know, was it because I only used conditioner on my hair? But that was like the biggest struggle while I was doing these two hairstyles. And when I was doing the finger coils, as I was finger coiling, when I come to the end, I have to detangle again. So you have to know that when you are going to do these hairstyles, you have to have a brush with you, or just a tool with you that can really detangle your hair as you make these hairstyles, because you are going to struggle. I don't know if you're gonna get it right to finger detangle. I don't know if that's gonna work. So make sure that you have the right tool to detangle as you do these hairstyles. Okay guys, I'm done with my video. I hope you are prepared now. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I am so happy for the new subscribers. Thank you so much guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found this information helpful and that you feel like you are a little bit, you are prepared now for your mini twist or your finger coils. And please leave me a comment below which one stood out for you. Thank you so much guys. And please also leave me in the comments below which one will you try. Which protective hairstyle are you thinking of trying during lockdown? And I love you. Bye. I'm done with my video. 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 I'm done with my video.